Today we're making ABC cookies. It's a fun and tasty opportunity for you to connect with your kids and work on some of those early developmental skills.
Cookies!
Yes, cookies. We made it to the cookie.
Cookies.
Now is the time to use your silence. Silence. So let's roll our sleeves up and get right to it. Butter, sugar, egg, vanilla, flour, mixer, ABC cookie cutters, parchment paper, baking sheets, rolling pin, cookie icing, mixing bowls, measuring cups. All right, ladies, so we are going to make some cookies today, but before we need cookies, what do we need? Stuff and to make the dough. Today we made ABC cookies. So we got all our ingredients together, we mixed them up, we made some dough. To make cookies, what's the one thing we need?
We need to make the dough.
We gotta make the dough, so we're gonna make the dough. Today we have some butter, some sugar, some eggs, and some flour, but first we gotta start off with the butter and the sugar. So Lennon, there's some butter. Isla, there's some sugar. Now, Lennon, you put the butter in there. Don't get it. Yeah. All right, Isla, get that sugar over there. Now put it in the hole though. Make sure you get it in there. You got space. Yeah, man.
Whoa.
That's where the sweet comes from. All right, so here we go. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay. All right. We gotta get it to creamy, okay? So we're gonna let it whip for a little bit longer. It's cool part, you have a little machine to do this for you. If you don't have a machine, then you can just take a spoon or whatever you have and whip it with your hands. I want you to take the first step and commit that egg. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. You hear that plop? You hear that egg plop? Yeah, that's what we're after right there. Go ahead and get all the egg white. Why don't you go ahead and hit that? And what you gotta do, you gotta really.
Vanilla smells like cinnamon a lot.
That's enough.
Ooh.
Yeah, good job, Len. Nice with the touch, good job. All right, now Isla, wait, I gotta come down here. Isla, I want you to hit the switch, all right? There you go. Yeah, you gotta use that muscle, that's right. Now show the camera your muscles. Yeah, look at the camera, show them, let them know. Hey, there you go, you gotta have some muscles.
Can I turn it on?
No, don't touch anything.
Can I turn it on?
No, because it's actually sort of hard to do.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with my muscles.
Yeah, hey, see if you can hit that too. There you go. Yeah, hit it, girl, hit it one more. Let's whip it. All right. Whoa. Look over and see if it looks good, Isla.
Ooh.
What does it look like? Does it look all right?
It's like really yellow.
It looks, yeah.
It looks like egg. The egg is turning into dough. Oh, it's looking like dough.
It's starting to dough up.
It smells good.
Yes, you know your butter, sugar, and vanilla make much magic. Then we rolled that dough, cut some cookies out of it, put them in the oven, then we decorated them. We gotta pull out our dough and we're gonna roll.
Yeah, roll it.
Are you ready?
Like a gun.
Are you guys ready to roll some dough?
Yeah!
All right, let's get it. Rolling it out. Roll that thing out, girl. You're doing a good job. All right, Len, you wanna roll it a little bit? All right, give it a shot. Yay, Len, look at those muscles. So now comes the time where we have to do some cookie cutting. To do some cookie cutting, we have all of your cookie cutters, all right here. So you can only cut the cookie if you can tell me what the letter is. That is what these. Listen, you're not far off. This is the letter Z. We're doing letters. These are all letters. I'll give you that hint, okay?
A.
That is the letter A. Cut a cookie. And what letter?
C.
What letter is that?
C.
Z. Hey, great job cutting cookies, ladies. And go ahead and press it down hard. Use those gymnastics muscles. Show them your muscle face. Aw, Len, that wasn't the muscle face. There you go. And you got your Z. Boom, like that. Excellent. Tell them what the L is for.
Lennon.
Yeah, that's right, girl. Good job. I want you to find a 3-letter word. You gotta spell a word for me, okay? Okay? That G out of there. Atta girl. You may have to stand up a little bit. Put some weight on it. Or you might, and if you have difficulty, you can also tap it around, like pound, give it a little pound. There you go, yeah. Oh. You know what? I could give you some. I'm gonna give you a tool for the back. I think you got a clean cut that time. Atta girl. Nice. And Isla, you have a dough A, 2A for Isla and Apple.
Dough A, 2A.
And so we have two dough A's. So what do we have? We have A-N-G-T-O-L-E-Z. Perfect. So we're gonna take these and we're gonna go put these in the oven. Come on, let's go. And the cookies are cooked. And they're cool, just to let everybody know. Now, which color do you want? You have a red and a green left. The green? All right, grab the green. I'll grab a red. This activity actually goes beyond literacy as it focuses on fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. All right, what are you making with yours, Isla?
I'm just gonna outline it.
Oh, nice. That's a good idea.
Remember, I didn't like those cookies because there was a lot of sprinkles on them. Can we do another one?
Yeah, of course we can. Let's finish the one we're doing first. Let's see.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
There. And that's awesome. And let's see what else we got. Get going, and then you got some craziness going on. Yeah, you got the ketchup looking icing. ABC Cookies is an activity that engages all 5 of your kids' senses and gives them the opportunity to engage in some educational and delicious play. Now's the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to eat the cookies. Eat the cookies.
You can eat one of my cookies.
So was it worth all the work?
Uh-huh.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good, enjoy your cookie. It's a great opportunity to connect, and like I said, it tastes delicious.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mother Goose Club character cupcakes, which are great for kids' birthday parties. Today, I'm going to make Eep, Teddy, and Baba cupcakes. The materials you need are vanilla and chocolate cupcakes, chocolate and vanilla frosting, vanilla wafer cookies, assorted candies for ears and bows, food coloring, a pint-sized glass, a knife, a spoon, spatula, scissors, and baggies in gallon and sandwich sizes. Let's start with our Eep the Mouse cupcake. I used a store-bought vanilla frosting that I added 1 teaspoon of blue food coloring to and whisked. You could also use a homemade buttercream. Now take your large plastic baggie and put one corner down in the bottom of your cup. Fold the bag open over the edges of the cup. Now scoop in your blue frosting until it's full. Now lift your bag out, squeeze out the air, and zip the bag shut. Squeeze the frosting down to the bottom corner of the bag. And then snip the end off. Now you have a piping bag. Starting on the edge of the cupcake, squeeze gently in a spiral motion until you reach the center of the cupcake. To make the face, I filled 2 baggies, one with black frosting and one with white frosting. Put a vanilla wafer cookie on your counter. Using your black frosting, draw little eyebrows, eyes, a nose, and a mouth. This may take a couple of practice cookies. Use your white to add a little sparkle to his eye. Now take your cookie and place it in the center of your cupcake. To make the ears, cut a chocolate circle in half and place them where Eep's ears would go. Now trace over the chocolate with your blue frosting. And finish them with 2 blue candies. And there's Eep. For Teddy, I'm using a chocolate cupcake. I filled a bag with chocolate frosting like I did for Eep. And we start at the edge and work our way to the center. Then we place our cookie face. And our chocolate circle ears. Trace over the ears with the chocolate frosting. For her special bow, I'll add 2 blue candy-covered chocolates. And there's Teddy. Now let's make Baba. For Baba, I'm using a vanilla cupcake and vanilla frosting that I added 8 drops of red and 2 drops of blue into. We're going to start by making a series of dots around the edge of the cupcake. Then using your spoon, smear each dot towards the center of the cupcake. Now we're going to make a second row of dots, just like the first. Now let's add our cookie face. And 2 purple chocolate covered candies for ears. And there's Baba. You can also simply spread the frosting on using a spreader like this, but a regular butter knife will also work. Then add your cookie face and your chocolate candies, and it's just as cute. These cupcakes are the perfect birthday party treat for your little Mother Goose Club fan. Share photos of the Mother Goose Club goodies you make at home by hashtagging Mother Goose Club on social media. As always, we'd love to hear from you, so type in comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.
In this video, we're going to show you how to make a delicious rainbow fruit snack that's good for your body and your brain. Hi, I'm Noah, and this is my Uncle Brandon. We're making rainbow fruit snacks.
This is more than just a healthy snack. It's also a fun and brain-boosting activity. When kids copy a pattern, like the colors in the rainbow, they get smarter at math. And when they put fruit on skewers, they strengthen finger muscles, which they need for writing.
To make these snacks, you'll need wooden skewers, a couple of plates, a large plate or platter to build the rainbow on, and fruit. You could choose whatever fruits you like. Just pick one for each color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Here's what we chose. Strawberries for red, orange slices for orange, pineapple chunks for yellow, green grapes, blueberries, and purple grapes.
Here's a plate and some skewers. They have sharp points, so be very careful. Which color comes first in the rainbow?
Red, so we should start with the strawberries.
Now we carefully poke the skewer through. The safest way is to lay the fruit on the plate and poke the skewer down. Then, push the fruit up. Great! Now what color comes after red?
Orange.
Next comes yellow.
Now green.
Next we'll do blueberries for blue. They're kind of small, so let's use 3. What's our last color?
Purple.
Great job! Let's put them on the big plate and make some more.
Gonna make red strawberries for the rainbow. What's your favorite fruit?
I like grapes. What about you?
I have to go with pineapple and oranges. 1, 3. One more. This is fun. I can't wait to eat some.
Noah, why do you think fruits are different colors?
I think fruits are different colors because different fruits with different colors have different vitamins.
That's a good answer.
Like blueberries bring me blueberry happiness.
Right.
Not sadness, although they're blue. Let's make a double rainbow. It's gonna be awesome. Beautiful. I say beautiful. Can you help me out with these blueberries here?
Yes.
Wolf it? Yeah, wolf it.
Great. Look, we made a fruit rainbow.
Yum!
Now comes the best part. Let's eat!
Yes!
Just remember that grapes and other large chunks of fruit can be choking hazards for young children. So it's best to cut the fruit pieces small and to cut the grapes in half before eating.
Perfect pineapples. Wanna take a bowl. I love grapes.
Show other Mother Goose Club fans your rainbow snacks. Hashtag photos and videos Mother Goose Club. And we listen to all your feedback, so please comment below. Bye!
I'm gonna enjoy this.
We'll bust a move, and bust a move, and and action.
So it's great, sorry. And to cut the grapes in halves.
You got it.
Not even a word. So it's
You got this. With him?
Where's this guy?
Are they still like cameraing me so I still have to smile?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What? Why are you upset?
No, but
Wait, did I skip anything?
No.
Really? I am so...
here we go. Looking at the camera, we're still rolling, and
I got a little distracted.
Okay.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse.